Orthographic views are two-dimensional only. So let's step through this, and you have to begin to picture this in your mind. Surfaces, when we look at them, of course, that appear on our drawing, like you're going to see down here in this arrangement, this block that we've been working with, are at different levels. Anytime you see a rectangle or a shape shown in a view, immediately your mind should be questioning, is this surface closer to me or further away from my glass pane, my glass side of the box? So A is more to the front than B and C. D is more to the top than E. F is more to the right, and G is more to the left. Okay, moving in a left-right direction, moving in a front-to-back direction, moving in a top-to-bottom direction. These surfaces are located. So, when surfaces A and B are projected to the front plane, they appear next to each other. So, reading the drawing or creating the drawing, you must look at an adjacent or top side view to see which surface is in front. We can't really tell just by looking at this view. So we have to look at the top view to tell where surface A is. Okay, so when we look at surface A in the top view, surface A becomes this edge, which is part of D. So we know it's all the way to the front. Surface B is located here, and it's at this edge. It lines up with it. So we know it's further away from the front glass plane, or pane if you want to call it that. All right. When G and F are projected to the side view, they also appear next to each other. The surfaces are at different levels, though. We have to look at the top or the front view to tell how what their width is. Okay, how much width do they have? And sometimes width is used interchangeably with length. So where are these surfaces positioned in relationship to each other? We can tell that by looking at the front view. The front view shows us where G is and shows us where F is. Okay, here is F and here is G. F and then G. D and E appear next to each other in the top view. We look at the front or side views to see which surface is higher, closer to my top plane of projection. Next, we'll be looking at the common dimensions between the views, which we have already touched on, but we're going to look at it in detail.